Alright guys, so we're about to start cleaning. Myself I leave mommy because I have meeting, but oh well. We're gonna start with the cupboards. We're clearing out the cupboards because we're gonna fix the cupboard. And so we have to clear out all of this because they're gonna put in cupboards down there and cupboards up here. Is all of the mirror. I have to clear out. But the thing is, we don't want to clear them and they don't come tomorrow. So we might just dust down so that when they come they don't have any dust coming out of wherever, because we don't use that cupboard like in a while. Yeah, so yeah. Mommy is cleaning. Hi. Empty kitchen. Alright guys, I don't even know if you guys are seeing, but yes, so the top was put in. Yeah, light gone, so they had to leave early. So the bottom is there to be done. So these are the cupboards that are gonna go at the bottom. So yes, and draw them under there, so because this one has the draw space, if you guys can see that. But now I have to drop on me. Anyways, it's good and I can't see, I'm sorry. But yes, lights, there's no electricity at the moment, so these having glass and all of that. Yeah, there, this one better. So yes, that's it. I'll show you guys tomorrow when they're finished with it completely. Yes guys, this is where we have to park all our kitchen stuff. Yeah, seasons and all. So yeah, now we're gonna pack them up inside in here. So we have worker number one over there. Say hi. Say hi. And then we have worker number two. Say hi. So yeah, so we are going on. Hey guys. Yes guys, so we are now starting to clean up. I just cleaned underneath. Now we're gonna clean up top. As I said guys, this one's the paint, and I got paint for now though, so ignore. So she's going to clean on top of the fridge. Yeah. No guys, I'ma just put you here inside of this cupboard while you watch us clean. Yeah. Excuse me. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start putting in. I don't want to be quiet in my vlog. This I'm gonna put in cups. The one over there, so that one there, so I'm gonna put in plates. So we're gonna take out these and also things that are outside, and we're gonna transfer. So I'm gonna put you guys somewhere. I don't know where.
And I'm posing.
I know, you're always posing. May I make one tripod, people? Give me a second. We still kind of low though.
She have our tripod there?
Yeah, but if go far. So yeah, we're going to do this covered here. I know the lighting is gonna be off because of where the camera is turned to. But let us move these over. My glasses in here. Yay. Let's get the mugs down here, and then we're also gonna put some. Should I put these over here too? Let's see. What do I want to do? I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out because we have the jar, you know, like the mason jar them put up as well. So yeah.
I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh, I've been wanting something from you. You been giving nothing. Oh. We are going up. Stop it.
That's a mop, Mackie. What?
This is my pot area. I'm gonna say my like a family house. This is the house's pot area.
What you doing?
I'm organizing these what you call it, small electronics stuff.
This way I put them.
Yes, progress. What is another one here? Listen. We have, what are these? Mason jars, tea, travel things, travel cups, and or something. I'll have bottles. And then, or, what call it, plastic dishes. This is cooking, sorry, sweetie. Plates in there. We have some more things in there. I don't like sister. And then cups, yeah. Down here, as you guys saw, pots. So I'm making away, but yeah, I'm not gonna move on. I'll show you the rest later. So, yeah. I know you guys can hardly see me, but yeah, we are making progress, people. Oh yes, I cleaned the top part of that. So yeah, I don't know if this happens to you guys at your house, but oil was on top of it, so I was wiping that down. Yeah? So this is gonna be our pantry. Hopefully it will hold everything. Alright guys, so this is the kitchen so far. This is all we did last night. We ended up clearing off the table because we didn't want to leave it, you know, dirty. So this is my pantry. Yeah, we'll continue today. These are supposed to pack out. Washed those yesterday and we're tired, so just say, you know what, let's just leave it to dry. And yeah, so updates guys, updates. I still don't like how that look, but I don't really have no one's put it. Probably if, you know, when we don't pack up these things, especially out of those two, if there's a space left, then yeah. Because right now we have we're calling something here, the these things right here. So if I pack and leave a space somewhere here or something and it can fit, because we have space there, but we have a lot of things outside, so I'm not sure. We don't sure, but yeah, I'm on breakfast duty, so I'm gonna do that. I'll vlog that. So yes, you guys will see that vlog differently. Alright guys, so this is the kitchen. It turned out amazing. Mommy, I cook right now, that's why so much pot up on the stove. Anyways, so we have this table as usual in the middle with a buckle. Fridge is now here. We have nothing much on our counter. We have our fruit bowls, yeah, and this oven thingy, and then we have eggs. We have these drawers that holds, like, they call it utensils and the mats and stuff. But yeah, they are pretty full and all of those things, so yeah. This is probably my favorite. No, I can't say this is my favorite. The one over there is my favorite. But yes, all we pretty much have on the counter: eggs, that, our cleaning tray. Guys, look what we do. Let me do that. I'm sorry. Yeah, that's our dish drainer. We have pots and pans and all of that. And then this is our cup area. Let me close that properly. And then over here we have our pantry, so all food items would stay over here, because what I wanted is to separate plates and dishes and such from food, which I did. And I was worried it wasn't gonna hold. Well, everybody else did worried. I did say it got hold, and in that last part, but it's thinking I got hold, but it hold. So yeah, I love this drawer though. This is our tea drawer. I'm in love with this drawer. Yay. But anyways, we do have a few more things, you know, to sort out, like this thing here. This is gonna throw away. This is gonna throw away. This keeps like our ground provisions, yam and plantain. So we need to clean this up, but they're gonna change something in the kitchen, so we're gonna put it in afterwards, and it's gonna go under the sink, hopefully. So yeah, that needs to sort out. And this is probably, I forgot, just because this was what all the things were on. So this, I got this mantle, and we do whatever needs to be done to that. And then this has in like some old lunch pan bags, and we have our picnic bag, that purple thing. There's our picnic bag, so we need to sort out that because this can't hold in the kitchen anymore. So yeah, so we have this to do tomorrow. So yes guys, that is the end of my kitchen organization, what I call it, my kitchen's reconstruction organizing video. Yeah, I don't know what it's called yet, but that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget guys to like, comment and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you are notified every time I make a video. Yes guys, so yes guys, comment down below what you guys think of the kitchen and all. I don't want to show you guys exactly what's in like every cupboard because I know my house, when we get my house, you know, we'll have that kind of connection. We'll have that, you know, but like my parents' house, I don't want to like show them stuff. So yeah, when I get my personal house, then I'll show you guys that. But yes, I just show you like the general thing and all of that. So yes guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, bye.